Check out the gas prices. Almost $18 for 3.3 gallons of the premium. These beautiful bikes together, man. The factory and the custom S1000R. Oh boy. Looks like he just barely missed that. What even was that? We've been on the highway for 2 seconds. Casual wheelie, nothing crazy. Old Hollywood, man. Some crazy shit goes down up here, yo. All the leaves are still on the trees. Ain't like that back home, that's for sure. I feel like I'm literally in Grand Theft Auto right now. These roads are awful. As you can see, man, everybody's enjoying the bikes. Check out this view. What you think, man? We gave them the option to pick the S1000R or the Aprilia.
The Aprilia went down with
the Aprilia went down, man. They couldn't resist the S1000R, but I mean, come on, the RSV4, absolutely beautiful as well. Straight out of GTA, the chopper, the Hollywood sign. No, I want no smoke. Well, the key on Cody's bike like broke or something, so he's stuck right now at the Hollywood sign. Fortunately, he did bring a spare. Heading back right now, pick up the spare. Well, back down through the hills. Probably won't record much. I'm gonna try to get back there and get that key for him as soon as possible. I don't want him sitting out here by himself. Alright, well, fast forward, we're back. We got the key. It works. Thankfully, the key's not broken off in the ignition, and we can go have some fun. I know he's been sitting here for a minute. Well, that was some weight Cody had. Good thing he was wearing his super comfy riding jeans that not only have a layer of crash-resistant Kevlar, but have hip and knee pads that keep you protected from the unpredictable. These jeans come in multiple styles to suit your type of riding. They also have hoodies with full protection for your back, shoulders, and elbows. Women's pants are all in stock, as well as other gear you can all check out on nbtclothing.com. Be sure to use code FASTFLOW at checkout to save. Now let's get back into the video. I think we're getting ready to head downtown to LA, to the tunnel where they film Fast and the Furious. Super sick tunnel. Cody just wanted to come to LA just to come look at the Hollywood sign, apparently.
I didn't want to ride at all.
Apparently not. Good thing he brought a spare key. That would have been a really bad time if he did not. I don't even have a spare key for my bike, so. I love how a lot of people move over for you out here. Right into downtown LA, let's go. Somewhere around here is this tunnel.
You gotta decide whether you're a wolf or a sheep.
Well, you guys just heard the bikes rev. Don't destroy my bike too much because we know the Aprilia sounds way better. The tunnel with these bikes, absolute insanity. Some of the craziest just top of the line bikes, and you put them in an environment like this where the sound's kind of caved around, it just sounds unreal. I know the camera's probably not going to do it justice, but in person, it just sounds unbelievable. Pretty historic tunnel for Los Angeles. A lot of filming, a lot of movies have gone down in this tunnel, and it's just been a set for a lot of things. Look at this view up here. Hell yeah. Hopefully I somehow see that picture. Oh. Is this Skid Row? I don't even know. Or is this just LA? Oh, there's that bridge! There's the bridge! Let's go! I've never even been on this bridge before! It's there! That guy over there filming. Not me, Wheelie, in this whole fucking bridge, yo! Oh, these cars! I've been wanting to hit this bridge for so long, dude. That was so much fun. I'm flipping around, bro. I'm running that one more time. Oh my god. Alright, now we cruise through and enjoy the view. Holy. This bridge is so sick. Hey, they're recording. They love it. They love it. Let's go, man. What a vibe. Oh man, I'm so obnoxious. This was the tunnel from last time. God, that Aprilia sounds so loud in the tunnel. Alrighty, we're pretty much going to wrap up the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. We're going to keep rolling out the content while we're out here in California. So stay tuned for a lot more. Appreciate you guys tuning in to the video as always. And I'll see you guys in the next one.